Sylvanso and Lagwood.
Sylvanso and Lagwood.
Yeah.
So good wood them left a burn coal.
Yeah. Lagwood. Even so Lagwood a bass, so Sylvanso a bass. Said we for burn coal.
So I reach the boss. You know, see boss ya. Munji. Yeah. So what you do? No man, you never get to pack up it. I write stage there, so I can talk, I can show people them how we build. You know them here? Boy, the jackfruit tree is still there. Yo, whole heap of jackfruit. You step on them a tree here. It's a mango tree here. Yo, sounds sweet mango. Alright, so see it here. I eat this, you know, people. I eat this. See coal skill here. I talk to you about it now. See all them out there? Them here? Lagwood we call them. You understand? Lagwood. Yeah man, do your thing and come in. Lagwood we call them, and you can see. One thing to differentiate lagwood from whole heap of other wood is that it have a kinda. You see the colour there? Me zoom in. Show you how I go on. See the colour there? Kinda reddish colour like. Yeah. You see it? I hit that. I hit. So once you see red heart in it, lagwood, you see it. Other trees carry red heart too, but you know, we can always know the lagwood them. But them here are the prime wood them have to burn coal. Yeah. And a whole heap of them tree are there. So so me just wait for him to kinda walk us through the steps. I know the steps them, so what I gotta do is just you know, have a discussion with him and we talk and thing. Yeah. So as you can see, the wood them cut up. So basically, well, I wait till him come before we start the discussion. Right here now, round here smell good. You know, coal smell nice. Oh, let me just explain something. So, the thing is, wood, trees contain a lot of carbon, and they also contain like, you know, oxygen and hydrogen. Yeah, so it's like when you burn them, it's like you release those bonds, you release those elements into the air. And some of them like cause other reactions based on what they are exposed to, like when you use them to make fire, you know, you get a combustion. You know, the oxygen is a major player to cause that combustion. You know, so yeah, this is one way to basically release back carbon to the atmosphere. Basically, when you cut down the trees, it's like you have a build up of carbon. So that is why we don't really like to, you know, remove the trees from the earth, because, you know, it is not environmentally good, because trees are one of the natural resources that is able to chop a lot of carbon and store it, right? So and you know, then now when the tree kind of decompose, you know, it goes into the soil, and then plants can take it up and you know, help with, like, you know, its nutrient needs, because carbon is one of the nutrients that plants need. Yeah, build one what? Yeah, build one little ziggy. Alright. Tobacco and cigarette. Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah. Why cannot burn weed? Weed not right thing for burn.
More better than cigarette and tobacco, but
Yeah.
just if I start plant it,
Mm-hmm.
me no bother with it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, cause he expensive too, you know.
Yeah.
He expensive, man. Yeah.
You can throw nothing for it, the family,
Yeah.
and you get it.
Mm. Done with.
Yeah. You mash up.
Mash up. So you say I come here now?
Yeah, me I come in. You say I throw in a yesterday, me come here, me go well already.
Yeah.
When I see it, you know.
Yeah. And one of the things is, when I remember I was talking about the carbon release, trees are one of the largest carbon sink I would suppose, you know, because they chop a lot of carbon from the atmosphere. Alright. Munji, you again. Alright. Yeah. So Munji,
Yeah.
you're born a coal still.
Yeah.
So tell me what go on. How you start? Why first thing you do when you're born one coal still?
Yeah, cut the wood them first and carry them in.
Carry me. So what kind of wood? What kind of wood them?
Silver so and lagwood.
Sylvins and good.
Yeah.
So a good wood them if you burn coal.
Yeah. Lagwood. Even so lagwood a bass,
Yeah.
so silver so a bass. Said we
Yeah.
for burn coal.
Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.